Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add discount code to Shopify checkout. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So the very first thing that you need to do is from your admin panel, you need to head over to your discount section under marketing, and there are this first click on this button. So there are multiple discount codes available. Like for example, you can add an amount off, buy one get one free type of discounts, amount of order, and free shipping. So you can easily manipulate these to pretty much add different type of discounts. Let's just say you want to add an amount off, click on this first option and enter your random code. You can generate it using this option. That is really handy and I really like it. You have your product values, discount value, minimum purchase requirements, and much more. So give it a try. It is worth it. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.